Welcome back into this new video to Express, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you if you wanted to drop shipping from Temu, it's possibly using third-party applications. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this process in a very easy way. So the first thing to do is naturally, of course, is to understand the Temu dropshipping. So Temu is known for its ultra low prices, often due to direct from manufacturer sourcings. However, unlike AliExpress, Temu doesn't have an official dropshipping program or a dedicated app for Shopify. That means that orders typically arrive in Temu branded packaging, which is major no for dropshipping and building your own brand. While some items offer fast delivery, can still take longer than ideal for dropshipping. So to do this process, the first thing I wanted to do to focusing, for example, into Temu, what I want to do today is to go for a manual product import. This method is best if you're testing a few products or prefer a hands-on approach. So define products into Temu. Focus into products with good reviews, clear images, a decent profit margin when you factor in your retail price, Temu cost, and your anticipated shipping cost. So check estimate shipping delivery carefully for each product. For example, let's say that I go all my way up. And here, what I'm going to be doing here, let's say that I'm going to focus for categories. And here, I'm going to be looking out. I'm going to scroll a little bit down. Let's go for electronics. And inside electronics, I'm going to focus for video games. So into Temu, I'm going to see absolutely everything related into video games. So I'm going to be using this specific products. And when I select one specific product, let's say, for example, that I'm going to scrolling a little bit down, I choose one of them. And when I choose one of these specific products, what I'm going to be doing is to checking out, let's say, the properties, the brand, the occasion, the wireless product. I'm going to be filtering this, for example, for great reviews, shipping, customer review. Let's say, for example, this and show more than 1,000 products. When I find the right product I would like to use for this specific project, the next thing, of course, is to collect the product information. So for each chosen product, you can download all the high quality images, all the videos. Let's say, for example, this one. And what I'm going to be doing here is just to select the product, save the image as a PNG file, for example. I can download it into the desktop like this. And what I can do now is to go back into Shopify, which is adding the product to Shopify. So what you want to do is to log in directly here into Shopify Administrator Console, focus for your product section, and look out for the element that says add product. Then what you want to do is to paste your copy title, but rewrite it to be more appealing for SEO friendly for your target audience. For example, this one is interactive screen wireless gaming controller for iOS and so much more. So what I can do is to copy this information, paste it right in here. And what I'm going to be doing here is to delete all of this and just focus for something, let's say, more specific. Interactive screen wireless gaming controller for iOS, Android. There we go. And here into the description, what you wanted to do is to do exactly the same thing. Just scroll a little bit down, check out all the information about your product, which is in this case, here it is. So see, you have the reviews that you can import later. And basically what I'm going to be doing here is to see all the details. I copy this and I paste it right in here. And the media, I upload my media from the desktop. Here's my image, I opened it. And here's the actual price of my product, which is almost 111. In this case, I'm going to be changing this for 102.99. And there we go. Now, once you've done all of this process, you hit into save the product, and you can put Temu of your sourcing agent's name, which in this case, which is vendor. You can type Temu and add them, and type, let's say, for example, controller, and hit into save. And there we go. My product has now been created from Shopify. From Temu directly here into Shopify. So when people make the purchase of this product, what I need to do is to use all of the information that appears here into my order. I select, for example, let's assume that this, for example, this is an order that was created from this product. Now what I need to do is just to select the contact information, the shipping address, the billing address, and make the order myself on behalf of this specific shipping cost. The second method is to use a third-party dropshipping application. For example, showing a Shopify application. For that, let's go for applications, type the word Temu, and here you have the M2E cloud. So you're going to search this into the Shopify App Store to see if there's an auto availability here. For example, there's Alibaba, there's a dropshipping, there's the AutoDS, there's a dropshipment, there's the Temu, AliExpress dropshipping. So really important to choose one application that is compatible with the actual Temu. If I select one of those and I hit into the install, the process is not going to be that hard. So basically it's going to be finding a specific products from Temu. It's going to be doing exactly the same process, but automatically, and we don't have to do absolutely anything else. So what I can suggest to end here is that you can look out for an application that is totally for free, has strong ratings, and the developer has not been verified inside the Shopify App Store. Otherwise, you might want to do this manually. So hopefully this was a very useful information for you to add a specific products directly into your store from Temu into your store. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazing tools on how we can do this process and much more drop shipping stuff into your website. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys, and well, hopefully we can all see you next time.